Namaskar. On behalf of MIT Art, Design and Technology University Pune, which is a multidisciplinary university, I would like to give the best wishes to my 12th standard appearing examination students for this different entrance tests like MST, CET, JEE and other examinations. MIT Art, Design Technology University is known for innovation and entrepreneurship, along with the best academics. At my School of Engineering and Sciences, which is again a multidisciplinary approach, we believe in project-based learning and we work on the three major mantras like knowledge, skill and attitude. Talking about knowledge, we do have the best curriculum. The curriculum which is developed with the help of different industry persons, defense personnels, alumni and the academic experts. We do have a best ecosystem. Plus part is we do have very dedicated, enthusiastic and research oriented faculties. Mostly faculties are having a research background. Also, we do have a best laboratories. When we talk about the skill part, we believe, as I mentioned earlier, we believe in project-based learning. So in each and every semester, student has to pass through the different projects. We call it as a mini projects. As we believe that my student should be industry ready. For that, during his or her academics, which starts from the second year, they should learn about how the behavior, how the expectations are there from the industry persons. Well, artificial intelligence is the very important technology nowadays. In our curriculum, for each and every course, our students learn this particular concept of AI respect to that particular course or the program. We do have best facilities towards the emerging technology in the domain of semiconductor industries, 5Gs or defense technologies. Well, the third part, which we called as a attitude. We believe in value-based education system. For that, we do have a separate school which we called as a School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership, which gives the best values to our students, and at the same time they will understand that how to face the placements also. We have an in-house ecosystem which clubs SSD, which is nothing but the School of Holistic Development, SCIL and my faculty members. They sit together before the placements with the students, and whatever the basic skills are required from the company's perspective, accordingly the sessions happen, and when the student will appear for that campus placement, he will be perfectly ready. Well, this is about these three mantras. But apart from this, we do have a very lush green campus at Loni Kalbur, which we call as Vishwaraj campus. We have around 145 acres of land where well-equipped different facilities are there, like hostel facilities, sports facilities and other very ambient atmosphere is there around this particular campus. So with this, I would like to appeal my dear student friends to come to this campus, be a part of this campus and enjoy your beautiful learning phase. Thank you and best wishes.